my brains, I will find my way out, lifting me up someday, somehow. With my arms and my brains, I will find my way through, split this ocean of unmotivated rules. In a mid-age, mid-Swedish, midweek, midnight escapades, you'll meet me and you'll join me, saying, Sonny, you're the train that we all missed. Whoa, 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 will you follow me?
Yeah, we'll follow wherever you go.
Whoa, so let me lead the way. There's a dream, there's a plan this time. There's a tornado somewhere in between my body and my mind. I will watch both my hands for my spontaneity has been so well planned. With my arms and my brains across this unpromised land, all this compromising, no longer I can stand. In a mid-age, mid-Swedish, midweek, midnight escapades, you'll meet me and you'll join me, saying, Sonny, you're the train that we all missed. Whoa, 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 will you follow me?
Yeah, we'll follow wherever you go.
Whoa, so let me lead the way. There's a dream, there's a plan this time. There's a tornado somewhere in between my body and my mind.
Somewhere in between,
There's a dreamer,
somewhere in between,
there's a liar,
somewhere in between,
there's a sadness, there's a tired man, there's an ocean, a tornado,
somewhere in between.
there's an
Hello, music lovers. My name is Daddy Don. The D stands for Donovan, and D stands for the fact that, in many ways, I've been the sole mentor for the kids that created the sound. Back in the day, on the streets of the east side of Detroit, Michigan, I was able to witness the birth of the sound of young America. The echo from that block grew stronger and grew throughout the world. For many of us, the echo never stopped. That's why the kids would be very honored if you opened your ears, snapped your fingers, and hung on for a ride through young Scandinavia. They don't want to tell you what music is. They want to offer you a way out. They want to offer you a chance to forget about all the nights which could have been the nights of your life, but which weren't because you weren't there when it all happened. A chance to, for about 40 minutes, forget about all the skeptics who are skeptical about everything but their own skepticism. A chance to try to pretend that love is simply so great that it does not ache at the very flip side of your heart, that your loved one has loved others before you and will love others after you. A chance to ignore the ancient law of nature, the law that says that young ones must wait and then grow old, and the older ones ain't coming back no more.